Hey guys, it's me and I'm gonna do a makeup look today. I'm starting with my bronzer to do my transition shade, and then I'm gonna go into those colors, I guess. Yeah. Then those, put it on top, and then, yep, slow-mo. And then I'm taking a smaller brush and just putting more on. And then I'm just using the two light shades again. Then I'm going to use that Duochrome color and put it on my lid with my finger. And then I'm putting more of the red shade on my lid. And then the lighter shades on top. And then I put some more, and then, yeah, this time I wet it. And then I put on my lashes. And then I put on some lipstick and chapstick. And then I used a lip liner brush thing. And then, yeah, my nails are really bad because I painted over them with some white. And then, yeah, there's my smile, me looking at somebody. And then, yep, that was it basically. Yep. Yeah, me just showing off my eye shadow, and then me just smiling and doing something with my teeth, and doing kissy faces, kissing the camera, bye, and yeah, bye.